What to expect at your upcoming maintenance.
Hi, I'm Dan with Sierra Air Conditioning and Plumbing. Thank you for choosing us to perform your plumbing maintenance. Regular maintenance is key to keeping your plumbing system working at its best. We'll walk you through exactly what to expect during your service, including a thorough 65-point plumbing inspection, water maintenance, and water testing. If you've never had a plumbing tune-up before, you might be wondering what's involved. Don't worry, we're here to explain everything so you'll know exactly what's going to happen and why it's so important for your system's long-term health. In this video, we'll break down your plumbing tune-up into 4 main parts. What to do before your plumber arrives, what happens during the service including the 65-point inspection, water flushing, and water testing, what to do once the service is complete, and what to do if you have any concerns or questions. Make sure there's easy access to your plumbing system, such as under sinks, around the toilets, and near exposed pipes. If you have pets, please keep them in a separate area while your plumber is working to ensure their safety and to give your plumber room to work. Double check your scheduled service date and time. What is the 65-point inspection? This thorough inspection covers 65 critical points of your plumbing system to ensure everything is functioning properly. We inspect every detail from pipes and drains to faucets and water heaters. Regularly inspecting your plumbing system helps identify any potential issues before they turn into bigger, costlier problems. Checking all visible pipes for leaks, corrosion, and wear. Testing water pressure at different points to ensure it's optimal. Inspecting all drains for blockages and potential clogs. Inspecting faucets, shower heads, toilets, and other fixtures for leaks and functionality. Checking the age, temperature settings, and overall condition of your water heater. Ensuring that all shutoff valves are easily accessible and working properly. Testing sump pumps to ensure they're working correctly to prevent flooding. Your plumber will carefully inspect all of these critical points and know any issues that may need attention. This includes checking for things like water leaks, pressure issues, sediment buildup, or faulty valves. What is water flushing? Your plumber will flush your plumbing system by running water through the pipes and fixtures to clear out any built-up debris, sediment, or mineral deposits. Flushing helps prevent clogs and ensures optimal water flow in your system. What is a water test? Your plumber will test your water pressure to ensure it's within the optimal range. Low or high water pressure can indicate underlying issues like clogs or damage in your pipes. Testing the pressure ensures your system is functioning properly and efficiently, avoiding potential problems. Once the inspection, flushing, and water tests are complete, your plumber will provide the best solutions for you. They'll explain any issues that were found and offer suggestions for further action if necessary. If the plumber identifies any potential issues during the inspection or tests, they'll recommend necessary repairs or replacements to prevent future problems. Your plumber will remind you of when to schedule your next maintenance service, usually once a year. If you have any concerns after the service or would like to ask questions about the inspection results, don't hesitate to call us. We're happy to help. If you feel that you didn't receive the 5-star experience that we strive for, please speak directly with your plumber or call us. We're always here to ensure your complete satisfaction. Thank you for choosing Sierra Air Conditioning and Plumbing to take care of your plumbing maintenance. A regular tune-up with a 65-point inspection helps prevent major issues and keeps your system running smoothly. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe for more plumbing tips and updates. Don't forget to click the bell to get notified whenever we post new videos. And hey, stay cool and enjoy your well-maintained plumbing system.